All right, I just want to make one video, a small video of of my fume extractor. Here I have a P12 Pro. It's a PC fan, and I just made like a enclosure for it and button that turns it on. So I'm only using a 5-volt power supply because I don't want to use the full 12 volt. So I'm going to show you. You can see that the fumes go up nicely. Even from like down here. So that's all wonderful. Now I'll show with the 12 volt. Okay, so this is with the 12 volt on. And now I'll show that it kind of disperses the fumes everywhere. Okay, so I'm not sure how visible that was. The fumes were kind of riding up along the solder iron and it was dispersing. I was able to smell it. I was able to smell those fumes. 12 is way too much, and I'd say 5 is like perfect.